ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ನಡೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ bye. Picture. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಜಾನಿದೆ ಮನ ಅಪ್ಪ.
This is how our parrot calls her children. She's sitting on top of our building and she keeps on calling her children who are with us. So we are taking care of her children. She is a wild parrot. So apparently the tree had fallen which was in front of our house, and she has abandoned her children with us. They all are staying with us happily. So we will let them grow and then we'll free them to this wild. I'll show you. Here we have her children. We have 2 of them. So we are waiting for their parents and they love us very much.